But one of the things that really stands out to me in this team topology, and maybe it's also stood out to you as well, is that the quality assurance team is a platform team. And that's really interesting to me because I kind of feel like quality assurance should be more enabling. The DORA research showed us that when teams have developers and engineers who take the lead responsibility for quality, so they're the ones that are writing tests and doing tests, that we get higher performance, or at least it's correlated with high performance. And so having a quality assurance platform team where they're doing QA as a service might be a bit of a problem to us. And even if the quality assurance team was to say to us, we're not doing things as a service, we are just doing the work for people, that's still really kind of like the same thing, right? They're not actually handing over the knowledge and the information and the experience that the other teams really need to own that for themselves. We want quality assurance to be more of an enabling team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see if I can change the organizational structure. I'm going to shut down the Valustra chat just for a moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a brand new team. And I'm going to call this I'm just going to call it the SDET team. SDET standing for Software Development Engineers in Test. And so I'm going to create that team. And what we're going to do is we are going to make this SDET team support everybody else. And so what they're doing is, what we're going to try and do at least, is make it so that this SDET team is really trying to help everybody to understand how to do the job of QA rather than doing the job for them. That's our intent, at least, by creating this team. And if I could get rid of that. I'm not going to include quality assurance. I'm going to include database. I'm going to include infrastructure, and I'm going to include product catalog dev. Now, the reason I didn't include quality assurance is because actually what I want to do is get rid of the quality assurance team completely. Because I don't think it's a really good idea for us to have this platform team that's trying to do QA. Instead, we should have an SDET team that's trying to be more enabling. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to just delete the quality assurance team from the network. Valustra asks me if I really want to do that. I say, yes, please delete it. And what you'll notice is it removed the quality assurance team from the list, but also removed it from any of the support networks. So quality assurance is no longer in our team topology structure. So let's see what VSRA has to say about that structure now. When I click the topology insights, and boom, you can see that all of a sudden our structure's actually changed quite dramatically. We've now got an SDET team that is an enabling team. That's exactly what I wanted.